KTN.
Now, what was meant to be a peaceful post-budget dialogue forum descended into scenes of chaos and panic after suspected hired goons stormed the meeting, forcing participants to flee for safety as gunshots rang out. This disruption of the forum, organized by civil society groups, has now sparked a political storm following explosive allegations by an arrested suspect linking senior political figures to the incident. While those claims remain unverified, organizers are condemning what they describe as an attack on public participation and democratic engagement. Our reporter Grace Nganga has the details.
Panic, confusion, gunshots, and running battles. These were the scenes that unfolded at All Saints Cathedral in Nairobi as a post-budget dialogue forum organized by civil society groups descended into chaos after suspected hired goons stormed the meeting, forcing participants to scamper for safety.
I was in there. It was very traumatic. Actually, I heard sounds and I was so anxious. And indeed, I was frightened. I froze.
We appreciate the police for actually arresting the situation, because who knows what would have happened on innocent Kenyans.
Who sends goons to All Saints Cathedral? It is not even so much the goons, it is who is the owner of these goons.
The forum, organized in partnership with Transparency International Kenya and other governance stakeholders, was convened to examine the financial year 2026-27 budget statements presented by Treasury Cabinet Secretary John Mbadi and to discuss public participation in Kenya's budget process. However, the peaceful meeting was abruptly interrupted when a group of individuals stormed the venue, causing panic as participants ran for safety.
Well, leteni vivo, why 256? Yo vivo mmechukua hapa na ubozi wenyu, otherwise haendi.
We are just demanding an explanation from the IG of police. We want him to come out publicly and speak to this issue and let Kenyans know who are behind this goonism, who sent them.
Police managed to arrest one suspect at the scene. The incident has since taken a political turn after the arrested suspect allegedly claimed during questioning that the group had been sent by a prominent CS. Separate claims have also linked the disruption to a prominent Nairobi politician said to be eyeing a senatorial seat in the 2027 general election. The civil groups strongly condemned the disruption, calling it an attack on democratic space and citizens' right to participate in governance discussions.
We want to ask the political class that you cannot muzzle the voices of the people, and organizing goons to come and attack the public, and worst of all, in a church setting, is sacrilegious.
They have urged security agencies to conduct thorough investigations and bring those responsible to justice.
Once the investigators establish those links and the lead politicians who sent them, we will be making their names known very soon for the public to shame them.
The incident is likely to raise fresh questions about tolerance for dissenting views and the protection of civil spaces as debate over the 2026-27 budget enters a critical phase, with Parliament expected to scrutinize the finance bill before the end of the month.
As investigations continue, the episode has heightened the rise of political intolerance and safety concerns of public participation forums in the country. Grace Nganga, KTN, All Saints Cathedral, Nairobi.
Civil society organizations are threatening to take legal action to deter the implementation of the 2020